back to a new day, everybody. Today, I'm actually changing my plans and I do not want to go to the garden anymore because guess what? It is the middle of winter and I thought to myself, why would I go see a garden in the middle of winter, bro? So, as you know, I made my own breakfast today and I ate 3 eggs. Off camera, I ate another 2 eggs. So, I'm feeling great. And just another health tip for you guys. If you didn't know, inside an egg, there is every single vitamin and mineral the body needs to survive except vitamin C. So you know what we did? Being healthy today. Boom. We bought a vitamin C drink. So we're about to just give this little taste test. And after that, we're just going to go on a little adventure, see what's going on over here in Yokohama. I have a little route planned. We're going to see multiple of the different sightseeing spots that you could possibly see over here. So yeah, let's get into the video and let me give you guys a little taste review of, I don't even know how to pronounce this, Oka Sapporo vitamin C plus drink, lemon flavor. They always got really satisfying bottle noises here. Smells like lemon. Ooh, woo. If you're not into sour, this is not the drink for you. I thought it was gonna be like, you know, slightly acidic, little lemony. This is like drinking lemon juice. If you're into sour snacks, come to Japan, bro, and just drink whatever this is. Just take a screenshot and drink whatever this is, because this is pure lemon. So yeah, I gotta get on the road, but I just wanted to film that clip of, yeah, how I'm choosing to start my day. 5 eggs, lemon juice. So being healthy is so hard. Look at this dog, bro. Oh, so cute. Hey, boy. Yeah. I'm here in the middle of winter talking about it's the strawberry festival. I'm gonna have to go and check this out. We're in the brick warehouse district of Yokohama. It looks like they have a lot of strawberry related confections. So I seem to have just entered into one of the warehouses, which is like a kind of like a mall. How would you even describe this? Like a food court. It's like a food court, kind of touristy. So I'm gonna leave this stuff alone, but it was good to check out for sure. We're looking for the most interesting thing we can find in Yokohama. Yeah, let's go. So this exhibit is pretty cool because you get to see where cup noodles looked like 20 or 30 years ago, and then basically like how we know and remember them now. Everybody at some point has seen these. This is where they come from, the Great Wall of cup noodles. All right, so basically I'm over here and they asked me to design this cup, and I'm gonna design this cup. Basically, I'm sitting at a table with a bunch of people right now. So let's see what I can get done with this cup. I'm gonna try to make it pretty. No promises. I ain't no artist. I'm just a regular man. I just officially spent way too long making this thing, but hey, I paid for the experience, so I'm gonna experience it pretty well. Definitely not worth the time. Worth the money, not worth the time. All right, guys, what do you think? Should I try one of these? I think I'm gonna go ahead. I just came back from Thailand, just came back from Indonesia, so all these are pretty much useless to me. I did just come back from China, but I don't know. That one kind of seems good. Ooh, I could try something from Kazakhstan. All right, let me decide. One day, boys. One day. Probably not this one, but or that one. Yeah, now we're talking. One day, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, that one's good. I find it so crazy that in Japan it's so safe. You could leave a brand new bike like this in the street and nobody will take it. no locks. Brand new. Just saying. All right, everybody, I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I got my little cup noodle, and I think I actually may have just found the coolest spot in Yokohama, for me at least, which is this little park next to the stadium. I know we don't really have anything like this back at home. We have Central Park, but I don't know, something super zen about this place, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it off over there. Goodbye, everybody. See you guys on the next episode. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider leaving a like and a subscribe down below. It really helps grow my channel, and I really, really do appreciate it. From my heart to yours, peace out.